Hi friends, and welcome back to the Drink of the Month series. It's finally December, the holidays are here, lots of parties, lots of festivities going on, and we've got a great drink lined up for you this month. It's the holiday cheer. So for the holiday cheer, you're going to need 2 ounces of vodka, an ounce of pomegranate juice, some ginger beer, honey, limes, and rosemary and pomegranate seeds to garnish. So you take your 2 ounces of vodka, your ounce of pomegranate juice, about a teaspoon of honey, grab your lime, mix, squeeze, add your ice, your ginger beer, some pomegranate seeds, add in your rosemary sprig. Cheers! Merry Christmas! Buon Natale! Ooh, kicking that ginger beer, eh? Nice! And just a reminder, everything we used here is for rent. These are our 15-ounce stemless wine, which is one of my favorite glasses because you can use it pretty much for anything. I'm just going to keep drinking. Happy holidays! That's our motto around here, just drink. We have a party rental company, but we all drink from the same glass.